Welcome to our troubleshooting guide for Fitbit Luxe syncing issues. Many users face problems where their Fitbit Luxe fails to sync properly with the companion app. Syncing refers to the process of transferring data from your Fitbit Luxe tracker to the Fitbit app on your phone or computer. This ensures all your activity data is accurately recorded and displayed. Common symptoms of syncing issues include inaccurate step counts, missing sleep data, or a frozen display in the app. These problems can be frustrating, but they're usually fixable with some simple troubleshooting steps. Let's begin with the first troubleshooting step, basic checks. These fundamental steps can often resolve syncing issues quickly. First, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone or tablet. Open your device's settings, navigate to Bluetooth, and make sure it's turned on. Second, confirm that your Fitbit Luxe is charged and powered on. Ensure it has sufficient battery life and that the display shows it's active. Third, check that the Fitbit app is up to date. Open Google Play Store on Android or App Store on iOS and update the app to the latest version. Finally, make sure your Fitbit Luxe is within Bluetooth range of your syncing device. Ideally, keep them within 20 feet of each other. The second troubleshooting step involves restarting your devices. Start with the Fitbit Luxe by connecting it to its charging cable. Then press and hold the side button for 8 to 10 seconds until the screen goes blank. Release the button and press it again briefly to turn the device back on. Next, restart your phone or tablet. Press and hold the power button, then select Restart from the menu. Wait for the device to fully reboot before attempting to sync. Restarting both devices often resolves temporary connection glitches. If the issue persists, proceed to the next troubleshooting step. The third troubleshooting step focuses on verifying the Fitbit app and your account settings. First, force close the Fitbit app by accessing your recent apps and swiping it away, then reopen it. This can resolve minor glitches affecting syncing. Next, check that you are logged into the correct Fitbit account in the app settings. Using the wrong account can prevent proper syncing. For a more thorough fix, uninstall the Fitbit app completely, restart your phone, and then reinstall it from your app store. This removes any corrupted data that may be causing syncing problems. Finally, use Fitbit Connect software on a computer to verify your account and sync your device. Download it from the Fitbit website and follow the on-screen instructions. Step 4 focuses on Bluetooth interference and device compatibility. Bluetooth signals can be disrupted by other electronic devices, making it difficult for your Fitbit Luxe to sync properly. Common sources of interference include Wi-Fi routers, which operate on similar frequencies as Bluetooth, and microwaves, which can emit electromagnetic waves that disrupt wireless signals. A simple solution is to relocate your Fitbit Luxe and paired device to a different location. Moving away from potential sources of interference can often restore stable Bluetooth connection. Finally, ensure your smartphone or tablet is on Fitbit's list of compatible devices. Visit the Fitbit website and search for your device model to confirm official support for syncing with the Luxe. For troubleshooting step 5, we'll clear the cache and data for the Fitbit app. This can resolve syncing issues caused by corrupted app data. On Android devices, open Settings, go to Apps, find Fitbit, tap Storage, and clear the cache. If issues persist, also clear the data. On iOS devices, open Settings, go to General, then iPhone Storage. Find the Fitbit app and choose to offload or delete it. Caution: clearing data may require you to log back into the app. Clearing cache and data can fix problems from corrupted app information. Troubleshooting step 6 involves removing and re-adding your Fitbit Luxe to the app. This process forces a fresh connection that can resolve lingering syncing problems. First, open the Fitbit app on your phone and navigate to the Settings menu. From Settings, select Your Devices to see your connected devices. Find your Fitbit Luxe in the list of devices. Tap the Remove Device option to disconnect your Luxe from the app. Confirm the removal when prompted. After removing the device, return to the main screen of the Fitbit app. Select Add New Device to begin pairing a new device. The app will scan for nearby Fitbit devices. Make sure your Luxe is in pairing mode. When your Fitbit Luxe appears in the list of found devices, select it. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the pairing process. Your Luxe should now reconnect with a fresh connection. If none of the previous troubleshooting steps have resolved your Fitbit Luxe syncing issues, it's time to contact Fitbit support for further assistance. Fitbit support can provide personalized help for your specific situation. Reach out through their website, app, or customer service channels. Before contacting support, you might try these advanced troubleshooting options. Check if firmware updates are available for your Luxe, as these can fix known issues. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on your device. However, be aware that this will erase all data on the Luxe, so back up important information first. Common causes of syncing issues include Bluetooth interference from other devices, outdated app or firmware versions, and compatibility problems between your phone and the Luxe. Remember that troubleshooting device issues often requires patience and persistence. Don't get discouraged if it takes multiple attempts to resolve the problem.